Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Void Relics in Warframe. Void Relics are used to obtain Prime parts and are an essential part of progressing in Warframe. One of the easiest ways to get Void Relics is by going to the market and searching for relics. As you can see, you can buy a Relic Pack for 50 Platinum. Another common way to get Void Relics is by running regular missions. Endless mission types such as Defense, Survival, Excavation, and Interception frequently reward Void Relics through rotation rewards. Void Relics are also guaranteed rewards from Void Spy and Disruption missions. Void Storm missions can also reward relics. Additionally, bounties on Earth, including those from Cetus and Fortuna, can include Void Relics as rewards. Make sure to check the bounty reward table before starting to see which relics are available. You can also purchase Relic Packs from syndicates using standing. Relic Packs are also available from vendors like Teshin using Steel Essence. Once you have Void Relics, you can refine them in your orbiter using the Void Relics segment. Spend Void Traces to improve your chances of getting rare Prime rewards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.